Cristiano Ronaldo had just returned home after a long training session in Riyadh. He expected peace, a quiet dinner, maybe some time with the kids. But the moment he entered the living room, he felt something was off. Georgina stood there, holding a glossy black folder. Her face looked guilty, something Ronaldo hadn't seen in years. Gio, what's that? Ronaldo asked, placing his keys on the table. She hesitated. Chris, Antes de TNOs, listen to me first. Ronaldo's eyes narrowed. The shocking purchase. For weeks, Georgina had been secretly negotiating with a luxury auction house in Dubai. They were auctioning a limited edition diamond-studded Bugatti, one of only 3 in the world. Price tag, $12 million. Ronaldo already owned several supercars. He had even told Georgina recently, let's stop buying things we don't need. Focus on investments, not luxuries. But she didn't listen, because she wanted to surprise him. She wanted to buy the car in his name, using his financial team without telling him. The moment Ronaldo found out, earlier that day, Ronaldo's manager Jorge Mendes called him. Cristiano, why didn't you tell me you approved a $12 million transfer to Dubai? What transfer? Ronaldo asked, confused. Georgina sent us the contract, with your signature. Ronaldo froze. His signature. He never signed anything. Someone had copied it. Ronaldo arrives home furious. Ronaldo walked toward Georgina, trying to stay calm, but anger was boiling inside him. You used my name. I just wanted to surprise you. You forged my signature, on a $12 million purchase. Tears filled Georgina's eyes. I didn't forge it, I asked your designer to trace the signature, I thought you'd love the gift. Ronaldo slammed his hand on the table. Gio, this isn't a handbag, it's a $12 million car. You can't decide this behind my back. The kids peeked from the hallway, startled by the raised voices. Georgina quickly wiped her tears. I'm sorry, I didn't think you'd be this upset. The real reason behind the purchase. Ronaldo calmed down and asked, why? Why would you do this? Georgina took a deep breath. Because lately, you've been distant, busy, tired. I wanted to remind you that you deserve something special. I wanted you to smile again. Her voice cracked. I thought this would bring you joy. Ronaldo's anger melted slightly. He knew she wasn't selfish, just impulsive. But what she did was serious. A difficult decision. Ronaldo sighed deeply. No more decisions like this. Ever. Not with my name. Not with my accounts. I understand, she whispered. He hugged her gently, though tension still lingered. But the car, she said quietly. The auction house needs an answer tonight. Ronaldo closed his eyes. Returning it would make headlines. Allowing it would cost $12 million. Finally, he said. Call them. Cancel it. We don't need it. Georgina nodded sadly, but relieved that he wasn't walking away from her. The ending. A new rule in their relationship. That night, Ronaldo set a new rule. No more secrets. No more surprises.